Guys, we are here in the Beverly Hills of Cabo San Lucas, Quivira, Alvar. This is the tippity top of Quivira. These are the luxury penthouses. This is a 4-bedroom. Every single room has its own ensuite with an extra half bath as well. This property has all the upgrades you could imagine. We're talking about gas grill. We got the fridge over there for all your wine, everything, all the beautiful indirect lighting that you know that BK loves. A front level penthouse. So you have nobody in front of you. If you're the guy behind here, you're looking at us, you're looking at our roof. You don't want to be that guy. You want to be this guy. We have actually all 4 views. What view is that? We have, of course, the city view. So you've got a beautiful city view at nighttime. Now, if you're frontline, all you got's ocean, just black in the nighttime. Now we got Gulf view, we got ocean view, we got sand view, we got all 4 of the views. We have a view not just of the golf course, but actually of one of the holes. I believe it's hole number 75. 77, okay. You know, we got a lot of holes around here, if you know what I'm saying, and you know what I'm saying. So now we are here actually in the primary. Of course, the primary has a gorgeous view. Your number 2 has a gorgeous view. This terrace is giant. I think it's like 1,000 square feet. A beautiful view. Why? Again, frontline penthouse. The price on this property, 2.9, and we'll accept financing. 50% down, we'll carry a note for a bit if needed. But not only this property, guys, we also have a beautiful 3-bed that is gorgeous as well. Thank you guys so much. Remember, if you guys need anything, not just real estate, we can help you with everything that you need, Cabo San Lucas related. If you don't know, you better ask somebody.